Students, you observe this. We see this is a plane mirror. This is a mirror. We are seeing now. This is a plane mirror. This plane mirror is painted backwards. Back side of the mirror is painted with some color, and here reflecting surface is this one, where we see our image. మనం ఎటువైపు నుంచి అయితే మనం రోజు అద్దంలో చూసుకుంటామో, మన ఇండ్లలో ఉండే అద్దంలో, అదాన్ని మనం రిఫ్లెక్టింగ్ సర్ఫేస్ అంటున్నాం. దాని వెనకాల పెయింట్ చేయబడి ఉంది కదా. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్. అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ నో దిస్ is a spoon, and it has the surface which is bulged out surface. This one is bulged out. This side is bulged out surface and this side is bulged inwards. So we use the spoon like this for feeding anything to children, or we may sometimes use this to take meals or any food items. So this is bulged in and this is bulged out. So this is called a curved surface. Curved. Observe this. This is a ball. Generally we used to play cricket or other games. So this is called, the shape of this ball is said to be a sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. So here this sphere is containing, or it consists a center to it. Every sphere may consist a center. And now observe the ball carefully, and one small part or segment of that ball is cut, and we are seeing two surfaces here. One is bulged out surface and the other is bulged in. So these two surfaces is said to be the bulged out surface, which is we are seeing now. This outer surface, if it is reflecting surface. Reflecting surface means మనం ఎటువైపు నుంచే అయితే మన ముఖం చూసుకుంటామో అది రిఫ్లెక్టింగ్ సర్ఫేస్. If the bulged out surface is reflecting surface and painted here, painted inwards, is called, this is convex surface. This is convex surface. And if you see this, if you see your image from this side, this is concave surface. Concave surface and convex surface. If this is a mirror, generally we have discussed about the plane mirror. Plane mirror is we see in our homes, and this type of mirrors we see in the case of a spoon. Reflecting surface, if reflecting surface you see your face from this side, this is convex mirror. If this is a mirror, you assume this is a mirror, and if the mirror is this one, this side, then bulged out side is a mirror, then it is convex mirror. And if you see your image from this side in a mirror, this is concave mirror. Again you observe the spoon here. The spoon is like this. This is concave mirror, convex mirror, which is bulged out side. This is convex, and this is concave mirror. You see mirrors also there here. You see this is inwards and this is bulged outwards. Bulged out surface is painted, and inwards you are seeing your image here. So this is concave mirror, and here bulged inside is painted and bulged outside we are seeing our image, and this is convex mirror. convex mirror is bulged out surface, reflecting surface is bulged out surface, and concave mirror is painted outside, that is bulged outside is painted, and we are seeing our image from this side. So clear? So this is, in this case of spoon, this is concave mirror and this is convex mirror. Again coming to a ball has a center, thus that center is if you see this particular part, which is a segment of that ball, is also that has also a center. That center is called center of this curve, center of this curvature. So we see center of this ball structure is said to be center of curvature for this segment.